Welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create recurring invoices in Wave Accounting. If you're a small business owner or freelancer looking to streamline your billing process, you've come to the right place. Recurring invoices can save you time and ensure you get paid on time, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand sidebar of your Wave Accounting dashboard. Here, you'll find various options to help you manage your finances. Look for the tab labeled Sales or Sales and Payments. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your sales activities. Once the drop-down menu is open, select Recurring Invoices. This will take you to the management screen where you can see any recurring invoices you've already set up and manage them easily. If this is your first time setting up a recurring invoice, don't worry. We'll go through the process step by step. At the top right of the management screen, you'll see a blue button that says Create a Recurring Invoice. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens, where you'll set up the invoice that will automatically be sent out to your customers on a regular schedule. After clicking that button, you'll need to select a customer from your existing list. If the customer you're invoicing isn't listed, you'll need to add them to your contacts first. Once you've selected your customer, it's time to set the schedule for your recurring invoice. You can choose how often the invoice should be sent out, whether that's weekly, monthly, or a custom period that suits your business needs. Once you've set up the schedule, it's time to add line items to your invoice. This is where you specify what products or services you're billing your customer for. You'll need to input details such as the description, quantity, and price for each item. Be as clear and detailed as possible to avoid any confusion with your customer. Wave Accounting also allows you to add taxes to your line items if they apply to your business. Before you finalize your invoice, take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Double-check your customer's details, the schedule you've chosen, and the line items you've added. It's always a good idea to ensure everything is accurate before saving. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, you've just created a recurring invoice in Wave Accounting. From now on, the system will automatically send out invoices to your customer based on the schedule you've set, making it one less thing for you to worry about. By setting up recurring invoices, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring a steady cash flow for your business. It's a win-win situation for both you and your clients. This feature is particularly useful if you provide ongoing services or have subscription-based products. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your billing process a little bit easier. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Wave Accounting's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your business finances efficiently.